Bishop's University admission requirements for international students. Welcome back to our channel. Work-Study Visa provides 100% free up-to-date guides to help foreigners like yourself visit, study in, work in Canada or immigrate permanently. Canada is currently the welcoming country in the world and we're excited to assist you come here. If this is your first time visiting, please consider subscribing to our channel. That way you get first-hand information at no cost. Wouldn't you rather subscribe with us to gain free guides than fall prey to online visa and immigration scammers? Simply hit the subscribe button, share the video and smash the thumbs up to help promote our work. One more thing, we know you may have a question or two regarding this video or any other process of studying, working or immigrating to Canada. Please use the comment box to ask your question and our staff will respond. Now, let's get back to the topic of the day. The video contains information about Bishop's University admission requirements for international students, the courses of study available at the university, as well as the scholarship programs available to international and local students. The university offers a great environment for foreign students with a rich mix of cultures and highly learned professors. Admission at Bishop's University Canada offers an undergraduate and graduate education which is far more than just knowledge impartation. It is creating opportunities for hands-on learning and assisting you to realize what you're made of. Consequently, all course programs are characterized by regular interactions and interfacing with professors and scholars. Bishop's University, simply referred to as BU, is a little liberal arts college and university located in Lennoxville, a borough of Sherbrooke, province of Quebec, Canada. The institution was established by the Bishop of Quebec, George Mountain. Bishop's University started its foundation by annexing the Lennoxville Classical School as Bishop's College School in the 1840s. However, the college was formally founded in 1843 and it received a royal charter from Queen Victoria in 1853. Bishop's University academic faculties. 1. Faculty of Arts and Science. 2. School of Education. 3. Williams School of Business. 4. Continuing Education. 5. Graduate Studies. International Students Applications. The underlisted eligibility is advised to be used as a guideline to increase competitiveness for admissions consideration. You should also note that meeting the minimum stated requirements does not guarantee admission. Nevertheless, students who do not fulfill these general requirements may be considered on individual grounds, in which case, admissions office may require additional information added to that stated below. 1. All aspiring students to BU must submit proof of English proficiency. 2. Submit your high school transcript, with the midterm course grades as available. 3. Provide a copy of your personal identification documents. You can consult the personal identification documents page to know which documents you are required to provide. Bishop's University scholarships. All international students who are eligible for any of the scholarships can apply and will be awarded the scholarship if he or she meets the eligibility criteria. Each year approximately 62% of the student body receives financial assistance in one form or the other, ranging from $500 to $20,000. All students are encouraged to take a look at the financial opportunities available to them and submit an application for consideration. Competitive scholarships. This scholarships is valued at $500 to $20,000 per academic year. Chancellor's Excellence Scholarship. Scholarship value is $10,000 per year. Awards and bursaries. Awards and bursaries value is $800 to $8,000 per academic year. Thank you for watching and for visiting our channel. We hope this topic was helpful. Just before you go, please don't forget to subscribe, share this video and hit the like button. You can also visit our website for more resources. Check the description below. Thanks for supporting our work.